आज हम क्लास 12th की प्रिंसिपल ऑफ इनहेरिटेंस एंड वेरिएशन की चैप्टर की आज क्वेश्चंस करेंगे। एमसीक्यू बेस्ड रहेगी जो कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम में आप बहुत हेल्पफुल होती हैं। बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा, द कंट्रास्टिंग पेयर्स ऑफ फैक्टर्स इन मेंडेलियन क्रॉसेस आर वन कॉल्ड। ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट, एलील्स। Second question, the ratio of phenotypes in F of the monohybrid cross is. Option A is correct, 3:1. Next question है, which of the following crosses will give tall and dwarf pea plants in same proportions? Option B is correct, T capital small t into small double t. Next question number 4. The monohybrid genotypic ratio 1:2:1 in F2 generation indicates. Option A is correct, segregation. Fifth question. Mendel selected P as material for his experiments because. Option D is correct, all of the above. Sixth question. The crossing of F2 homozygous recessive parent is called. Option B is correct, test cross. Seventh question. The test cross is used to determine the. Option A is correct, genotype of the plant. Eight questions. ABO blood group system is due to. Option C is correct, multiple alleles. Ninth question. The distance between the gene is measured by. Option B is correct, map unit. 10th question. Linkage reduces the frequency of. Option A is correct, hybrids. The number of phenotypes in ABO blood group is. Option B is correct, 4. Sex is determined in human beings by ovum. Option B is correct, at time of fertilization. The X body of Hawking was observed in. Option C is correct, half of the sperms during spermatogenesis. Extra chromosome X is present in which one of the following cases? Option B is correct. The person with Turner's syndrome has. Option D is correct, 44 autosomes and X sex chromosome. Mental retardation in men associated with sex chromosome abnormality is usually due to. Option D is correct, increase in number of X chromosome. Mutations can be induced with. Option D is correct, gamma radiation. ZZ by ZW type of sex determination is seen in. Option B is correct, snails. Which of the following will not result in variations among siblings? Option C is correct, linkage. Mendel's law of independent assortment holds good for genes situated on the. Option is correct, non-homologous chromosomes. Occasionally, a single gene may express more than one effect. The phenomenon is called. Option C is correct, How many pair of contrasting characters in pea plants were studied by Mendel in his experiments? Option C is correct, 7. Which is the most common mechanism of genetic variation in the population of a sexually reproducing organism? Option C is correct, recombination. Alleles are. Option B is correct, different molecular forms of a gene. The term linkage was coined by. Option D is correct, T.H. Morgan. A disease caused by an autosomal primary non-disjunction is. Option D is correct, Down syndrome. A woman has an X-linked condition on one of her X chromosomes. This chromosome can be inherited by. Option C is correct, both son and daughter. Human blood grouping is ABO instead of ABC because O in it refer to. Option A is correct, no A or B on RBCs. In fruit fly, the maleness is determined by. Option D is correct, none of these.